Welcome to Beyond Borders Briefing, the channel where we bring you the latest news and analysis on global issues. In today's episode, we will talk about the civil fraud trial of former U.S. President Donald Trump, who faces a $250 million lawsuit brought by the New York Attorney General. We will look at the allegations, the evidence, and the potential consequences of this case. Trump arrived at a Manhattan courthouse on Monday, October 2, 2023, where he was greeted by a crowd of supporters and protesters. He used the opportunity to attack the judge and the Attorney General, calling them corrupt and racist. He also claimed that the case was politically motivated and aimed at interfering with his 2024 presidential campaign. The New York Attorney General, Letitia James, filed the lawsuit in 2019, accusing Trump, his adult sons, his company, and several associates of engaging in a decade-long scheme to defraud banks, insurers, tax authorities, and business partners by inflating the value of his assets and exaggerating his net worth. James is seeking to recover $250 million in penalties and damages from Trump and his co-defendants. She is also asking the court to ban Trump from doing business in New York and bar him and his team from buying commercial property for several years. The case is based on evidence gathered by James' office, including thousands of documents, emails, financial statements, appraisals, and testimony from former Trump Organization employees and executives. The first witness to take the stand on Monday was Alan Weisselberg, the former chief financial officer of the Trump Organization, who pleaded guilty to tax evasion charges in a separate criminal case earlier this year. Weisselberg testified that he helped Trump inflate the value of his assets for various purposes, such as securing loans, reducing taxes, and boosting his public image. He also said that Trump personally reviewed and approved all the financial statements that were used to deceive lenders and insurers. The trial is expected to last until December and will feature more witnesses from both sides. The judge in the case, Arthur Engeron, has already ruled that Trump and his co-defendants are liable for one fraud claim based on their misrepresentation of a golf course in Westchester County. He will now decide on 6 more claims based on other properties owned by Trump in New York and elsewhere. The outcome of this trial could have serious implications for Trump's political and business future. If he is found guilty of civil fraud, he could face a hefty fine and a ban from doing business in his home state. He could also face more legal troubles from other investigations into his financial dealings by federal and state prosecutors. What do you think about the civil fraud trial of Donald Trump? Do you believe that he committed fraud or that he is a victim of a witch hunt? How do you think this case will affect his chances of running for president again in 2024? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. And that's all for today's episode of Beyond Borders Briefing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more news and analysis on global issues. See you next time.